It's December 3rd. Today we're going to review for a quiz. So if you know everything, you don't even have to watch this. Just go take your quiz. Once you open the quiz, it'll only be open for 45 minutes. So make sure that you grab some paper and a calculator before you start. There's only 10 questions. It should be okay. All right, so quick review for those of you that need it. So ratios and proportions. There are 18 girls and 22 boys. What's the ratio of boys to girls? So I have to put boys on top, girls on bottom, and then I reduce it. So it'd be 11/9. Remember, always reduce your fraction, okay? So that's easy. Next one, the ratio of three sides of a triangle are 3 to 5 to 7, and the perimeter, that means the whole outside, is 450. What's the length of the smallest side? Make sure you read each question because it's not just find X. A lot of times you have to put them back in. So, remember we did this on Monday. We put X's on here, make an equation, and set it equal to 450. Add these up. 15X equals 450, and divide, that would be 30. Okay, then it says the smallest. So smallest is 3. 30 times 3 is 90. So that's your answer, okay? Next one, we talked about scale factor. Scale factor is when you compare two sides, and remember it has to be the smallest ratio. So I wouldn't do 6/10, I would do 3/5. It is that easy. Now if they're not that easy, then you could compare 6/10 and then reduce it. You're still going to get the same thing. All right, come on down here. Then we moved on to, are these similar, yes or no? If it's yes, you have to tell me why. If it's no, you just write no. So remember, these are parallel, so that means I have a pair here, and I also have vertical angles. So this is yes, and the reason, AA. We have three choices. Those are your only three choices. If it's not one of those, it's no. All right, so I look at here. Remember, angles are equal, sides proportional. Angles are equal, the angles are between the sides. I don't know if these are proportional. So if I set it up, 11/22 equals 10/19, and I cross multiply, need my calculator, 11 times 19 is 209, and 22 times 10 is 220. Those are not equal. So I would just write no. Okay? All right, the last one, we did this yesterday. We're comparing sides again. So I look at this, I know they're similar, so I'm going to start the little triangle over the big triangle equals the little side here over the big side here. So we did a whole worksheet on setting these up. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you must distribute. So the 4 goes to the X and the 4 goes to the 5. The 5 goes to the X and the 5 goes to the 1. Then you divide, subtract, you get X equals, hold on, you missed that bell, don't you? 15. Then it's going to tell you to go put it in a side, so like if it says find side AB, then I just simply put 15 there plus 1, that side would be 16. All right, that's your review. Good luck on the quiz, take care, see you next week.